Hello everyone, this side Yash Mahajan. Today I'll be representing on Python on topic file handling in Python. So we can see here file handling. File handling refers to the process of performing operation on a file such as creating, opening, reading, writing and closing it. Through a programming interface, it involves managing the data flow between the program and the file system on the storage device, ensures that data is handled safely and efficiently. File handling allows us to store and access data from files. Python provides built-in function like open function, read function, write function, etc. There are three type of function we are used to Python for build function. Files can be in text format. For text format, we can use .txt, CSV, and JSON, etc. File modes in Python. When opening a file, we must specify the mode we want to, which specify what we want to do with the files. Here's a table of the different mode available. There are such type of mode we are seeing in this table. First one are read only mode. The file for reading. File must exist, otherwise it raises an error. RB, read only in binary mode, opens the file for reading binary data. File must exist, otherwise it raises an error. R plus, read and write mode, open the file for both reading and writing must exist, otherwise it raises an error. RB plus, read and write in binary mode, opens the file for both reading and writing binary data. File must exist, otherwise it raises an error. W, write mode, opens the file for writing, creates a new file or truncate the existing file. WB, write in binary mode, open the file for writing binary data, creates a new file or truncate the existing file. W plus, write and read mode, opens the file for both writing and reading, create a new file or truncate the existing file. Now next, WB plus, write and read in binary mode, opens the file for both writing and reading binary data, creates a new file or truncate the existing file. A, append mode, append the file for appending data, creates a new file if it does not exist. AB, append in binary mode, the file for appending binary data, creates a new file, it does not exist. A plus, append and read mode, open the file for appending and reading, creates a new file if it does not exist. AB plus, append and read in binary mode, open the file for appending and reading binary data, creates a new file if does not exist. X, exclusive creation mode, create a new file, raises an error if the file already exists. XB, exclusive creation binary mode, create a new file, raises an error if the file already exists. X plus, exclusive creation with read and write mode, create a new file for reading and writing, raises an error if the file exists. XB plus, exclusive creation with read and write in binary mode, creates a new file, reading and writing, raises an error if the file exists. Opening a file. To open file, we can use open function, which requires file path and mode as argument. Open function is used to open a file. First argument file name, second argument mode. So for example, file is equal to open, then file name, then close, and the second argument is R. We can take here for read mode. R is for read, W is for write, A for append, X for create. Files is file exist. Reading a file can be achieved by file.read function, which read the entire content of the file. After reading the file, we can close the file using file.close function, which closes the file after reading it, which is necessary to free up system resources. Code. File is equal to open, file name, and the second argument is R. Content is equal to file.read. Now the second line, content is equal to file.read function used for read the data which are already in file. Then print content. Content is we taken means the read function and the data are in come to content, and then print the data as then print content and file close here by using the close function as file.close function. Output. As output we are seeing here, hello, this is a sample file. We are learning file handling in Python. So is this data in that file. Writing to a file is done using file.write function, which writes the specified string to the file. If the file exists, it contain it erased. If it does not exist, a new file is created. Example, write to a file in write mode W. File is equal to open, file name, second argument W. File dot write. Now we have to write some data in file. So we can write Python is fun and let's learn file handling and file close. Now this data is written in the file by using file.write function. Now output is Python is fun. Let's learn file handling. Write to a file in append mode. It is done using file.write function, which adds the specified string to the end of the file without erase its exist content. Example, for this example we will use the python file created in the previous example. इसके अंदर क्या होता है, we take the previous file, then we have to add some new line, then we can use the append function. Now see here as example, file is equal to open, file name and argument is a, file.write. Now we can write some new line, this line is append. Now this line is add in that previous code. File.close, close here our code, then output is Python is fun, let learn file handling, which is in first code, and now add as append the new line is, this line is appended. A mode keeps old content and add new content at the end. We can see in this example. Using with statement is used for resource management. It ensures that file is properly closed after its source finish. If an exception is raised with open function as method automatically handle closing the file once the block of code is exist. If an error occurs, this reduces the risk of file corruption and resource leakage. With open function class name argument r as file, data is equal to file.read function, print data. Explanation is automatically close the file after the block, clear the safe code, no need for file close function. Handling exception when closing a file. It's important to handle exception to ensure that file are closed properly even if an error occur during file operation. Try. File is equal to open, file name, argument is r, content is equal to file.read function, print content. Finally file.close function. Now we are apply here close function for close the file, output hello world, appended text. As summary, open function, read function, write function, append function are essential file operation. We are see here use with to handle files safely. File handling is useful in data processing, logging and automation. Advantages of file handling in Python. First, versatility. File handling in Python allows us to perform a wide range of operations such as creating, reading, writing, appending, renaming and deleting files. Second, flexibility. File handling in Python is highly flexible as it allows us to work with different file types, example text file, binary file, CSV file, etc., and to perform different operation on files, example the read, write, append, etc. Third, user friendly. Python provides a user-friendly interface for file handling, making it easy to create, read, and manipulate files. Fourth, cross-platform. Python file handling function work across different platforms, example Windows, Mac, Linux, allow for seamless integration and compatibility. Disadvantages of file handling. First, error prone. File handling operation in Python can be prone to errors, especially if the code is not carefully written or if there is are issue with the file system, example file permission, file locks, etc. Second, security risks. File handling in Python can also pose security risks, especially if the program accepts user input that can be used to access or modify sensitive files on the system. Third, complexity. File handling in Python can be complex, especially when working with more advanced file format or operation. Carefully, attention must be paid to the code to ensure that files are handling properly and securely. Performance. File handling operation in Python can be slower than other programming languages, especially when dealing with large file or performing complex operation. So here our topic ends. Thanks for watching.